M1L, or make one left, is one of several ways to increase one stitch in your knitting, and it looks like this. The second stitch from the tip of the needle was made with an M1L. To do so, you pick up the horizontal strand in between your left and right stitch from the front, like so, and you want to knit the strand that is in the back of the left needle. So you see this really obvious one in the front. Do not knit this. We want to knit it through the back loop, like so. So I'm turning it around so you see where the needle is being inserted. And then this is the front view. And then, oop, we lost that. And then we just wrap it around the right needle and knit that off. So that's one M1L made. Let's do it a couple more times. So right now you can't really see that horizontal line that you need to pick up. So pull your knitting apart just a little bit to expose this horizontal bit here. You can pick it up with your left or right needle. I'm going to use my right needle this time, but you need to lay it on your left needle because you need to knit it. So I'm going to sweep from front to back so it's laid like this, and then knit the strand that is kind of hiding behind here and get a better handle on my work here. So I've inserted the tip of my needle, my right needle, through the back loop. Wrap it around and knit, and that's another M1L made. Let's do one more. So pick up the strand from front to back and then insert the right needle into the back strand and then knit. And that is an M1L, or make one left.